you're going to be an officer going to approve for loans and anything, make sure that it is free from liens and encumbrances. Okay, what if nasa yung title pero kay giprinta na dahil pwede giprinta na din yung magkinaon sa takaroon kung sa who's going to run after the property. Okay, so that would be, and then the titles, where do you get the titles or what office do you go to when talking about titles? Sa ROD or the Registry of Deeds.
Registry.
O sige lang, good.
Naman sa
Huwag
caps.
itong tanong, kaya huwag mo ka pa ng sutian mo. No? Ano na siya guys?
Register
Huwag
of
mo
deeds.
property, dapat nakatituloan, dapat na-register na nasa Register of Deeds. So you must provide vehicle in your franchise. It should be registered with the vehicles.
Register of
LTO.
Bills.
Land
LTO.
Transportation.
Register of Bills.
Kakilala, di na kung namin prangkisa, namin mga di ba, may na delivery service sa prangkisa, going to be registered with the Land Transportation Offices,
LTO.
offices. Okay na na, class, nakakigya po niya na sa inyo ha. Nawami ka pala ang iyong opisinahan, apply mo. Class, be careful sa daning class na just before,